How to fix no sound on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix no sound on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just simply search for Control Panel. Open up your Control Panel and go with the category and go with large icons. Here select for sound option. Now under sound you will get this kind of interface. So select the speakers or select your audio device and click on set default, which is right here. Click on set default, which is on the bottom. If it is not enabled, right click on it and choose enable also. So right click on it and then go with enable. In my case, it's already enabled, so I have the disable option right here. If it is not enabled, then you just need simply go with enable and set as default and then apply and OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then just move on to the next method, which is you need to again go with the control panel and go with sound option. Under sound, now you need to select the device, right click on it, go with properties. Under properties, here you need to go with the general section, go with spatial sound, and here you will have an option of off, turn it off, and then go with apply and OK. And this might fix your problem. Now, if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply remove this and search for device manager. Once you search for device manager, you'll have an option of sound, video, and game controllers. You just need to simply go with your sound. For example, I'll just choose a sound, double click on it, go with driver, and go with update driver, and click on search automatically for drivers and update it. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to go with services. Under services, now you need to simply go with a service, which is Windows Audio. Simply click on a service and then press W on your keyboard. And here you will have Windows Audio. Just go with Windows Audio, right click on it, go with properties, and you need to go with the startup type and make sure that it is selected as automatic, and then start the service if it is not started. And once you've started, you need to go with apply and OK. And that's it. Now go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix no sound on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.